Good morning, everyone.
This week on A Love for Beauty.
A little bit. Alright, so when it comes to doing these baby hairs, I kind of like it to look a little bit more natural than like that wet dog look everybody does. Like so much gel, it's just wet, like a swoop. I don't like that. That looks weird to me. Chips. Y'all still here? Good morning, everyone. A Love for Beauty here, and today I'm going to do a wig install. Alright, so this is what the wig looks like. I'm not too excited about the lace because it's really dark and it's kind of hard. Some of these front lace wigs, I think this is mixed blend, synthetic and human mixed blend, I'm not sure. See? So, I don't know. So I'm going to try to start doing more wig installs on this channel. And I have some other wigs I'm going to be ordering from India. Okay, so I forgot to mention this wig has 4 combs, 2 on the inside. And, oh wait, I'm sorry, it has 3 combs. It has 1 in the back at the bottom and then 2 in the front. And then it has, of course, the 2 straps to tighten the wig too. Right, so let's install. Alright, so let me just pull it back for now, and then so I have to put the glue on first. This is actually kind of tight around my head, so because if you mix them, for me when I mix them they work better instead of just using only the spray or only the gel. I just let it get tacky. Alright, so it's getting tacky a little bit. Not there yet, but it's getting there. So let it dry a little bit more. Then it will almost be done. Okay, so this lace is super dark and I don't like it. I'm sorry, it's just not the business. Yeah, I should stick to my raw human hair wigs. I don't know what this is. It's alright. The lace is not popping. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera because I can't look at the camera and do my hair at the same time. I do not know how y'all do the wig videos. I will be back. Alright, so when it comes to doing these baby hairs, I kind of like it to look a little bit more natural than like that wet dog look everybody does. Like so much gel, it's just wet, like a swoop. I don't like that. That looks weird to me. Alright, so this is what I got for now. So with the baby hairs, not the greatest, but you know, it'll work. So be back. Okay, take it down. Try to figure out how to style it. Mess the curls up. I hate when my curls are so super tight, it doesn't even look natural anymore. I prefer it to be more natural than like overly curly. Okay, I think I'm gonna try to style with these bobby pins. Let's see. Kind of like a twisty thingy. I don't know. Okay, so there's one side. Okay, so this is style number 1. Let's try another style. Put it like that. And I don't want this showing, so what I'm gonna do is take a piece of my hair, or a piece of the wig's hair, and wrap it around so that the yellow part of the hair tie doesn't show. It looks more natural. Look number 2. Alright, so the last look has to be just the regular part. It only has, it's just one middle part. You actually cannot part this any other way because you can see the tracks, which I don't like. I like frontals that have like 3-way parts. Spray a little water so it doesn't get dry. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I can't believe how good these are. I think it's ridiculous. So good. It's a whole bag. What the heck? This ain't sponsored, but shoot. This is shoot. I need some more mango chili chips. Y'all still here? Y'all can go home now. I'm over.